3.
We got something in that box.
Speak clearly.
Not in that box. When I got home from work. Was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. Got home from work. I saw this box by the front door, and we want to know what it is. And I'm gonna open it up.
I don't think anybody understood anything you just said.
Oh.
Look at yourself. Keep on opening it.
No.
What's the blade?
There's another part in there too.
Let's go like this.
I got it. No, we got it open.
Look at yourself. Open it so they can see it.
Oh, there's.
What's that?
Oh.
One thing at a time.
I know this one. No. That's something there. Okay. That phone. I'm over there.
What's that, babe?
I don't know. I'm gonna find it out. Oh! Oh, do you know what it is? Thing for my cell phone. Can you have a cell phone and say it will fit?
Go to your cell phone. Here, I'm gonna open and show it what it is.
Is that?
What is it?
Oh my god. I'll check. See if it fits or not. Let's see one of them. I'm gonna say it fits or not, because this is my new cell phone. I'm gonna say it fits. It does. Now I got a new one for. I'm gonna keep one at home in the bedroom, and one over here by the computer, and one with me for work.
These were $10.
Those are $10 a piece.
So you owe me $80, Donna.
Or Dougie Poo, $80.
I got paid, so I can give you some money now.
When I figure a day, that I can go to the bank, I can get it out. I don't know when that was done. I'm gonna say one for here.
Oh, you ready to start the video?
Yeah, for another one.
3, 2, 1.